hear my voice. For that, I'm sending you a poll, and I would request all the attendees to please address the poll and update me. The poll should be visible on your screens now. I request all the attendees to please address the poll and update me with your responses. I request all the attendees to please address. If you can see the screen and hear my voice, please click on yes. If you're facing an issue, please click on no. Thank you very much. I can see most of the attendees are not facing any issue. There are only 1 or 2 people who are facing little bit of issue with either viewing the screen or hearing my voice. I would request you to please check your network. I've just checked the tool in the background and I do not see any error at our end, but I would request you to please check your network once. So we would be taking up questions related to green packaging only because this is a very short session of 30 minutes. So I would request all the attendees to please post your questions which are related to green packaging only. And Sejal would start taking up questions in a while. Meanwhile, I'm requesting all the attendees to please post your questions in the Q&A box. अगर आपकी ग्रीन पैकेजिंग से रिलेटेड कोई सवाल है तो आप क्वेश्चन आंसर बॉक्स में अपने सवाल हमें भेज सकते हैं. अगर आप ग्रीन पैकेजिंग के अलावा कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, हम आपको रेकमेंड करेंगे कि आप रेलेवेंट वेबिनार अटेंड कर सकते हैं या आप सेलर सपोर्ट टीम को रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. इस सेशन में फिलहाल हम सिर्फ ग्रीन पैकेजिंग से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस ही आंसर करेंगे. Sejal, can you see questions? Okay, so I guess you can start taking up questions now.
Okay. So first question is, I want best solution of packaging for cosmetic items. So regarding green packaging, if you are looking for packaging solution for cosmetic items, we have two options. One is paper bags and the another one is carton boxes. So basis the size of your cosmetic item, we would request you to choose from these two options and then deliver it. That answers your question. How the packaging of books to be handled without plastic cover? Shivashankar, this is a very good question. For this, we would request you to use paper bags. Now, these paper bags that we have manufactured for you have a plastic coating onto them, which will prevent the books to be damaged from water. We request you to order a pack of 100 to test it for yourself and see how sustainable these paper bags are. Hello, Akash Gupta is saying in Panipat, my okay pin code, my pickups are not there. So I would request you, Akash, to please reach out to seller support. This webinar is limited to green packaging and the questions around it. मुझे ये बताओ कि ग्रीन पैकेजिंग क्या है. तो अभी जैसे महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने एक इनिशिएटिव लॉन्च किया है जिसमें आप प्लास्टिक डिलीवरी के लिए यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. तो उसी के बेसिस पे हमारी कंपनी ने भी ये स्टैंड लिया है कि महाराष्ट्र के सेलर्स को और जो भी डिलीवरीज होती है महाराष्ट्र में बाय अदर सेलर्स, बाकी के सेलर्स से, उनमें हम ग्रीन पैकेजिंग ही यूज़ करेंगे. ग्रीन पैकेजिंग माने जो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए डैमेजिंग नहीं है, लाइक कार्टन बॉक्सेस और पेपर बैग्स. तो दीज टू ऑप्शंस, ये दो ऑप्शंस अंडर ग्रीन पैकेजिंग आते हैं. और आपको कोई ऑर्डर है जिसमें मार्क किया है कि प्लीज़ ग्रीन पैकेजिंग यूज़ करें, तो आप पेपर बैग या फिर कार्टन बॉक्सेस यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Hi, what kind of packaging is included in green packaging? Could you please elaborate this? Like, for example, my product is supplement jar. How I have to redesign its packaging. सो